so it's about maybe like 12:30. I'm about to hit the sheets, but I want to make this video before I hit my bed because tomorrow I'm gonna find out if I got scammed and bought this. I'm not gonna tell you what I bought, but I bought something for the car, which I think I got on an amazing deal. Like, honestly, unbelievable. Like, I wouldn't even think of it. I took a chance with it, and long story short is I paid for it, send the money to homeboy, and God willing, I'm just hoping that what I get is what I'm expecting, and if not, then I got scammed. But believe it or not, what I paid for was literally only $75 plus shipping, which I don't know, should be like 40 bucks they said, so we'll see. So I paid literally like, believe, I know some of you guys are not gonna believe this, I paid $75, and if I have to, I can show, I swear to you, I can show the email transfer that I sent, dude. And the dude's out in Calgary. So I took a chance with it. Some of my brethren are like, yo, I must be an idiot. You know, some of them are like, yo, we'll see. Some of them are just like, yo, you're laughing if that came through. You know what I'm saying? People don't believe it, and you know, I'm trying to hold faith, and we will see. So right now I'm just making the video ahead of time. In the morning, apparently the package came. It's at a post office nearby me. Apparently I missed it today. Don't know how. I told wifey to look out for it, but she said nobody came and they didn't leave no note on the door. I don't know if it's because of COVID they didn't leave that or whatnot, but no like parcel package or notice was on the door for her to pick it up or whatever. I just got it on my phone and I just been keeping track on it like that. So apparently it's at the post office close to the house. I'm gonna go over there later on. Tired. I'm gonna go over there tomorrow first thing in the morning because I gotta go pick up some stuff for the bodywork to get finished on the car. So I'm gonna make those trips since I'm off of work. And yeah, so next time you see me, it's gonna be in the morning. Let's see what happens and see if I got scammed or not. But yo, stick with me. I'm gonna catch my sleep and I'm gonna get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright, so it's morning. I'm gonna brush my teeth and whatnot. Head to the post office, so get ready real quick. Ready to grab my wallet. Get ready to see what the result is for today, fellas. Ladies and fellas. So, grab this stuff.
That's exactly what Jesse and Trisha were saying, because it ends up. Yeah.
Yeah.
But.
Way back.
New sandwich.
Alright, I'm making my way now. Wife just made me some food. Car's warmed up and clean, by the way. Let's go.
Nothing ain't nothing to me. Look at this shit, it ain't nothing to me. You don't need no drinking. Hennessy go.
Magic on Monday, I throw up the money. I'm a black pusher today.
Supposed to be at this Hasty Market. Apparently it has a. I don't even see nothing here though. Yeah, that's good. I see it. We gonna see. Alright, so I got it. I got a package. They gave me a hassle because the house that we're at, it was only temporary. It doesn't match my driver's license address, which I knew was gonna happen, which I was hoping that they wouldn't give me a hassle. The lady came through, she said she's gonna allow it, so thank you to her. And now I got the package and it's right here, guys. So I don't know. I'm feeling like, yo, should I see if I got scammed? Should I wait till I get home? Should I just bust it? I don't know. That's a question. Like, should I bust it? Or should I wait till I get home? Or should I bust it? $75. $75 is what I paid. No cap. $75. I don't know if I got scammed, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna probably go to my next stop. Head down to the place. It's up by JDM Addiction, for anybody that knows the GTA area, knows the parts place. I'm gonna head over there and just probably come back down and unbox this stuff. So yeah, zoom in on that for you guys. Probably not. But Collision 360, refinishing supply. Just left that place. I bought a whole bunch of stuff that I needed to finish the Civic body. I'm heading back to the crib, so should be there shortly. And you know, we'll get to unboxing this stuff. Came down here in my laundry room because I have at least some better lighting down here. So I figured it's time for me to unbox this and see what we got. See if my purchase came through. Like I said, paid $70. I paid $75 to be exact. I EMT'd the guy $75 for these. So it's either I got scammed or came through on a nice come up, feel me? So I'm gonna show you guys I didn't even open it at all. Did not open it at all. Don't know where it is, so this is a literal, legitimate unboxing. So all I gotta say is yo. Wow. Let me show you guys like. So remember, $70 is what I paid for these. You know what I'm saying? $70, no cap. All I gotta say is, I guess. $10. I bought some Brembo calipers for the fucking Civic, B. Oh my god, this happened. Yo, I wish every man that said I was capping, bro. Just understand. Yo, I gotta trust my buyer's intuition right here. But you guys ain't yo my god. Oh my god. What I purchased for $75. Oh my god. Yo. Yo, video's done. Yo, video's done. Yo, like, comment, subscribe. Yo, I tell you guys, sometimes when you see those crazy ass posts, yo, buyer's intuition. If you believe in it, cop it, because it might come through. Looking, they're pretty clean. Gotta touch them up certain spots, but they're pretty clean. So I'm gonna maybe try and get some touch-up paint and touch up the certain spots that I see like chipping. Other than that, they can go on like this for now, unless I decide to go over them completely and then get some Brembo stickers redone. But y'all see it.